Hello, my name is Eddie Tofpik. I'm Head of Technical Analysis and Senior Markets Analyst at ADM Investor Services International Limited. Here is your daily technical analysis of LME 3-month copper and aluminium.
LME 3-month copper. A lower but still indecisive doji cross yesterday. The eroding effects of the declining short-medium moving average, currently 85.13, and the 50% Fibonacci line of the October 2020 to March 23 move at 85.56 seems eventually to have capped the market. Though I would have to give honourable mentions to the April 2012 high at 86.65 and the declining medium moving average, currently 87.07, in part of this capping action. Below we have, on a closing basis, the declining short-medium moving average, and that's currently 85.13. And then we have a whole mess of supports consisting of the 84.24 to 84.40 congestion, within which has the September 2012 high, 84.24, the slowly rising long-moving average, currently 84.10. Then congestion between 83.50 to 83.70, with the old February 2013 high at 83.50. And also below all of these, we have the lower bull trend line, currently at 82.96 at the August 22 to date broken bull channel, in which we are right now, seemingly repaired potentially, and highlighted in dark blue on my daily chart. So far today, another attempt lower, dipping below the declining short-medium moving average, but pulling back over it. The 50% Fibonacci line is capping the market. Right now we are looking at another indecisive piece of action for today, if a little lower. LME 3-month aluminium. A bearish engulfing pattern yesterday, which was more than a suitable response to the previous session's shooting star pattern type 1 bearish. In the bigger picture, you have a number of things going on, all at the same time here. There is the big November 2022 to May 23 head and shoulders top, which initially looked like a possible continuation pattern, but had seemingly turned into a topping pattern before threatening to become a continuation pattern again. This topping pattern has a primary target X down in the 2058 zone, with a harder, much harder to reach secondary target X1 down in the 1858 zone. Next, there are the two possible descending triangles and their relevant targets below. The first and larger one is from the late February to May action. This utilizes the neckline of the same big head and shoulders top, which is colored in purple, as its base, currently at 22.72, and the late February to date downtrend, also colored in purple higher up, currently at 24.39, to give a primary target X2 below in the 21.78 zone, and a secondary harder to reach target X3 down in the 20.88 zone. Finally, there is the smaller optimized descending triangle, highlighted in dark blue on my daily chart, made up from the small late March to early May head and shoulders top neckline, currently at 22.96, and the optimized late February to date downtrend, currently at 23.83. This had a primary target down at 22.33, a target that's already been achieved, and a harder to reach secondary target X4 down in the 21.74 zone. Next, there is the late February to late April bearish Andrews pitchfork, the one that seemed to be showing the bearish angle of attack of this market, with the market in between the middle time below, currently at 21.38, and the upper time above, currently 22.88. This pitchfork is highlighted in bright red on my daily chart. We also have the recent congestion over a wide band between 2200 to about where the short-medium moving average is, which is currently 2300. The question here is, does this congestion wish to become a triple or even a quad bottom, or does it wish to be seen as a reverse head and shoulders pattern? The answer is still out there. I'm sorry to list so many possibilities, both bearish and bullish, but this one is that sort of market right now. As an addendum, we've just had a dead cross, a lagging indicator, of the declining medium moving average, currently at 23.53, down through the almost flatlining long moving average, currently 23.55. So far today, a slightly higher open at the short moving average area, currently at 22.41, before turning around lower, though not aggressively as yet.
Thank you for listening. This short version broadcast gives essential market patterns and consequences. Please be aware of the risk disclaimer posted both at the front and the back of this broadcast. Copyright is Eddie Tofpik and ADM Investor Services International Limited. And here comes the final important bit.